Hello all, this is another assignment in Unity Fundamentals. Assignment number 8. What is world space, local space, screen space? Name at least three expensive methods of Unity that every developer should avoid with reason. What is world space, local space, screen space? World space nothing but when we create an object, it will be give some coordinates of the object like in the 0, 0, 0 in the transform position. Like it will start with 0, 0, 0. That is the world space, origin of the world space. Is also called global space. The whatever the game spin space completely will be called as a world space. It will start with 0, 0 as the origin. Complete C space is the world space. Local space is the object space. If it has any parent object, the parent object space that includes uh, child object space. If it is there is a hierarchy in the object space like parent object, the maximum the highest level of the parent object space will be the local space for the all the child objects. If we change any dimensions changes or rotations or positioning changes for the parent object, it will get changed accordingly to the child. It will apply it will get changed child objects as well. This is called a local space. It is basically object space. If it has a parents, then it is parent space. Screen space is a normal display space. It can be plane of the canvas or the screen space of the whatever the aspect ratio we use that visible on the camera will be the screen space. This origin will start from the left bottom corner and it will or origin will start from the left bottom corner as a 0 0 and end with the right top corner, and it will be the width and height of the uh, screen space. Hope I am clear. World space is a global space. Space it is actually scene space, and local space is the object space. If it has any parent and parent object space. Screen space is a canvas or plane or display space. It will be 2D space. It will origin will start from left bottom corner 0 0 and end with the top right corner with the width and height. Okay. Name at least three expensive methods of Unity that every developer should avoid with reason. Three expensive methods of the Unity. Uh, First one is the game object find or game object find with name or tag. For this, if there are many number of objects like more objects in the scene, it will get checked with a compare with name with each of the object, and it will lead to the performance issues as it will check with each and every object get find, like it will find from the like big pool of the objects, then it will be expensive method to call uh, to call any to call or to find object. Okay, another expensive method is raycast or sphere raycast. If there are multiple colliders, many number of colliders in the screen space in the game world, it will be difficult for to get output like collision reaction output from the raycast, because it will give big whatever the object it collides, it will give as a array of the objects whatever the objects in its path, in its line of path. So it will be expensive if there are many number of colliders. We can avoid this by collision matrix and layer definition, matrix layers. Okay. And another method in the Unity, expensive method, means it is not expensive, but it will become expensive. Update and fixed update. Update and will be called uh, for each and every frame of the execution. Okay. And fixed updates also will be called in regular intervals. If you have put large in a sequence of execution in the update method, though it handles with user inputs, if there is any large methods or large calculations, physics relations, if you that is not need to be checked for every frame. If you put methods like that in the update or fixed update, so it will be expensive to handle. It will give the performance issues. Okay. Sphere cost, ray cost, all ray cost, all not ray cost. It is physics dot ray cost all and physics dot sphere cost all. Update and fixed update. It will lead to the heavy computation and like calculation performance issues. That's all. This assignment has only two questions. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.